I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the GoPro is idle. Stop any recording, because the camera won't shut down cleanly while writing files. Next, verify battery level. If below 10%, swap or connect USB-C power, since shutdown can fail on critically low power. Once done, press and hold the mode/power button briefly to initiate the off sequence. This tells the firmware to flush caches and park the file system safely, preventing corruption and ensuring your clips remain intact. You can power off through the menus. Use a short press to wake the display, then go to Preferences, find Power, and select Power Off. This graceful method ensures background processes finish. If the camera is frozen, press and hold the power button for about 8 to 10 seconds until the unit goes dark. This is a forced shutdown, useful when the UI is stuck. For touchscreen models, swipe down from the status screen and tap the power icon to complete a normal shutdown. You finish by verifying all indicators are off. The display, status LEDs, and any red recording light should be dark, which confirms a full shutdown. If the GoPro still refuses to power down, press and hold the power button for another 10-15 seconds, and if absolutely necessary, remove the battery to cut power. Do this only after forced hold attempts. Afterward, make sure to inspect the SD card on a computer for errors, because abrupt power loss can cause file system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.